will be
This does the flying around.
like what's this like?
Well, how would you do the flight?
I'll just point out whoever wants to go first. Wait till you flash the lights. I don't know how much you guys want.
But where are you gonna have the light?
Right?
It's not gonna move.
Like how long do you
Sip it on the wheel.
I'm gonna just hit it.
It's whoever's last is just.
Flash lights. The bang.
It's up to you guys. You have him, or if you guys have one, then we'll flip it.
It's up to you.
That's cool.
Yeah. All right. We'll have this look like. We'll just. Do you want to get ready first or second? Or does it matter? Or just want to flip it?
I don't know what.
We'll do the lane right now. We'll come back to it. You want to call it for the lane?
I'll color them. So. Right? I'll take the way.
Do you want to get ready first or second? Which one do you want? No, we'll just flip it.
I don't know how to remember this. I can't really say.
You ready up
First or second? I say. That's what I'm saying. That's on your car. I don't mean on how it feels. It's your choice.
Second. No, first. Already first.
I want to go first, so we'll just flip it. I'll call it heads. Heads. So you get right lane. I'll get stage first. And then, well, the rules, I mean, I feel like we have to go over the whole. Your car doesn't creep, does it?
Well, if like, I don't want the same thing that happened like, Megan. Like,
Well,
it's
so
funny. Like, it's not fair.
So as long as if you flash your lights, and it's up to you. You could do the tire crack if once the flashlight, you flash the lights. If you move at all, it's a jumper.
Okay, but can we use common sense in the fact that if the car squats, it's gonna like move a little bit. Obviously, it's not gonna go forward, but it's gonna move. No, like.
You can consider that a jump because technically it's a jump.
How do you jump if it didn't go forward?
No, well the car's already moving in motion already.
What if it never crosses the starting line?
No, but it doesn't matter. That's what I'm saying. If it ain't movement, it's like considered a jump, or how do you guys want to do it?
That's if it crosses the starting
Yeah,
line.
like as long as it crosses.
So as long as
If
it crosses the starting line,
then
okay. So
that's a jump.
for at least for me, I don't know if you guys want to do it. I'm gonna scoot up a little bit behind just in case the car does move a little bit. Then that means I'll just be up in front.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
It's up to you guys if you guys want to do that. If not, I mean, that's up to you. If you move forward, then you're.
That's what I'm saying. That's
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
like-
He's gonna push us back a little bit.
So I'm putting my car back for my safety, just in case for me. If you guys want to be right there ready, then just know that once you pass the starting line, it's a jump.
Yeah, that's good.
You cross. Do pay or
Well, obviously, if you're in the front, like.
yeah, because it doesn't matter as long as it doesn't interfere with the race.
Yeah.
You wanna look at the car, or you don't wanna look at it?
I'm sure.
I say we look at the cars. I know last time you were saying they want to look at the car.
Nah, that wasn't me. That was.
Oh, so we're not in a public?
I'm sure.
So you brake. You want to brake if someone pays at the burnout, or once the race happens?
Once you flash the light.
Okay, so once you brake at the burnout, then it's cool. Yeah, but if you brake once the race starts, then you pay?
Yeah, once you like flash the light, after that's the race.
After you flash the lights.
You pay full or half?
It's good.
You do full.
I did change that.
I mean, it's up to you. I'll do full. I don't care.
How many predictions?
You can sell it.
Do half. Finish line. You guys gonna have someone? Or
Yeah.
Hey, but whoever goes there, make sure that they're to record, not just take.
Yeah, nah.
The ones that are going are because they're recording. That way there's no issues. Yeah, record straight if you guys can. Don't follow the car. Just grab the finish line. The cone, I think it should be there from yesterday. If not, we can double check. But it's marked already. But we'll have someone go and check it. That's another one. That's pretty much it.
I just feel man, you were
Yeah,
acting
we'll
before.
collect.
Oh, shit, where we go?
Yeah, exactly.
Where we going right now?
Ferrari Spider had to go and add nitrogen. Black truck with a driver, we some rich strikers. Real sniper, know them young players on cider. In and out that pussy, thotty every nighter. Turned up all the meter, now I battle idols. I'm a real demon, fuck her on a cycle. Switching gears, she ride this dick like motorcycle. Michael Jackson beat it, bitch, I ain't even write her. Paid all cash, car came with a title. Bustin' in her mouth, she tasting number fiber. Put my money down, I hit it in the clutch. Thought she was a nun, cause she never cuss. I'm like NWA, cause I don't give a fuck. School bars, green hook, I'm on the bus. I don't feel you, but you know you can't be touched. Niggas tryna kill me, man, this shit get sus. Running through these hoes, down said hut.
left, like when you were coming over here or what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Anything after that, brakes.
But I'm saying that happened on the way here? Wait, so you went into limo during the race, or when you're on the way here?
No, like really on the race.
But limo is not racing. If you brake,
Limo, because you're powerful and you
That-
can't
that-
gas
it
it.
won't give you gas.
I know limo.
But that's like breaking.
Look, this one went on limo.
That's
limo.
limo.
That's
That'll
limo.
cut power and everything.
You could still
You gas that.
You could be on the pedal, but the motor's not gonna be going.
Yeah.
But either
It's on the same car.
either way, you said once you hit the lights, it's a race.
Yeah. Like I said, it was like that.
Yeah, but it didn't break.
Yeah, yeah. Red is not break. I thought you broke something. Then
You
yeah.
just said it right now. Anything after that, you break it to fix.
Okay. If you could
Anything
show us
after
something
the
broke,
burnout,
then yeah. No, show us what broke, and then we'll keep finishing.
Well, how am I gonna show you? Like,
Well, that's
how am I
why.
gonna know?
There's nothing broke. There's nothing. Limo, if this limo, it cuts power. It doesn't. It won't let you go up. Your car should have just literally done this when that's it. Yeah,
So I think the finish line didn't sound like it cut power.
it was
But
a
how-
high on RPM.
like how you telling me? Like I did have to look. Like
Well, that's probably your tuner with the spark plugs and everything.
Because you drove. The thing is, if limo, it will not. You were driving with me. I was driving speed limit. That thing will not let you go past 30.
Well, dude, literally have like past what 70? Yeah.
We were right there together. With the car should have. The car you would have stayed at the finish line right there. It
70,
would've-
you went like that. You straight up took off.
No, yeah, I did. But I'm saying that you were with me cruising back over here. You get me? The car will not let you do that.
The RPMs are screaming. He said his car's in motion. That shit was fucking.
Look, I broke
They don't have limo.
with Elijah and I paid him.
I have the same car. How are you gonna tell me it has
You're
limo?
tripping.
I have the
literally
same
had-
car.
I have the same problem
I
with the car
drove it
body.
with shot injector and spark plugs, and it still drives normal. I could go full throttle.
Yeah, I can't. What? Okay, but you're comparing what? A 20 something?
Same motor, same time.
What is it? 20.
It's LT1.
Yeah, but what?
21.
Can we scan it?
Yeah.
Same
Scan
car.
it.
You could hear it too. You could literally hear it. I could hear it hungry.
I just need you to prove me that it's broken. Something's broken.
But yeah, I just want you to understand, limo is not breaking though. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
You guys said it last time too. Limo, not breaking.
When did we say that?
When we raced
Well, but that's like, your homie said common sense. Well, it's common sense.
Yeah, it's not really.
Everybody knows limo's not breaking, you know? Like, if your tranny broke and shit and that's just making water everywhere, alright, cool, whatever they have, but it's limo, you know? That's basically your car not working right since the get-go. Like, that's not even when you start putting fucking oil on it.
Yeah, I paid Elijah. My car broke up.
Yeah, but I mean, we also agreed on he had it, bro.
Yeah, but
The thing is, it didn't break.
Dude, I knew.
with your car, I showed you the video, you came in hot.
I believe it if it did, but after the race, because on the race, in the videos, you're high on RPM.
Your RPMs
There's
were
no way limo will let you do that.
What? Dude, you're literally like, it cuts down, like you said, RPM.
Yeah, but like completely like.
I'm letting off.
No. The thing is, at the finish line, you're still on RPM.
People like gas it. Let's be honest. His car? Yours. That shit.
We're both on high RPM.
How am I gonna, like, it's still gonna have motion.
What I'm trying to tell you is that your RPMs are screaming. Like, there's no way that shit can happen.
Like, it's gonna have motion, but your motor's still screaming, so there's no way that's limo.
Your RPMs are still up, basically.
Dude,
I just fucked up because I broke with the light when I feel like whatever.
If we check in, we can show you that. It's not that big. We can still check it to fix it. $4.50 an hour. Oh, like, bro. You guys want to get it right? Like, you can check it out.
The what?
That way you can drive it home good. Like, if something's fucked up, you know?
Like if I wanna get checked out?
Check it out. I'm using the scanner. I know how to fuck with that shit. I'm pretty pro.